cross-stitch collection. Hello world, good afternoon. This video, I'm just gonna share my masterpiece that I made. I made a cross-stitch. This is one of my hobbies. This cross-stitch over here, guys. It's Sacred Heart. I made this cross-stitch. This is year 2004. So I have my name and I have my signature and year in the back of this frame. Ang free time ko lang nag-cross stitch ako nito. This is very pretty frame. I framed this through Hobby Lobby. We have Hobby Lobby that do special frames. I spent a lot of money for this frame, but it's worth. So I cross-stitched this, guys, during the time for my waiting time to come to the US. Came to the US year 2006. I made this cross stitch for more than 1 year. It takes a while because there's a lot of shades that I made for this cross stitch. There are different kind of blue shadow in order to make this pretty. That's one of my cross stitch collection that I made. And that's 2004, guys. And after that, I came to the US and I'm still waiting for my paperwork before I have a job. So you have to process many papers first, and in order to have a job here in the US. While waiting my working permit, so I'm doing a lot of cross stitch while waiting. So after that, 2004 is my last cross stitch, and what year is this? 2007. And then 2007 I made this Celtic Cross. My husband loved Celtic Cross. So this is my birthday gift to my husband. I'll show you closer. Is that pretty, right? Yeah, it took me this one like not too long. So every time I have a day off and I make this cross stitch. This is 2007. August 2007, I made this for this cross stitch because year 2006 came to the US month of March, and then I got a job by November of 2006. And then after that, just free time. I got time, day off, and I cross stitch as much as I can so that I can finish this in time before my husband's birthday on August 2007. So when I give this to him, he's so very touched and happy, and I can see in his face how happy he is. Yeah, I made this with love. And after that, I kept going to the store and looking for another project. So I said, oh, I need something for my house, like because we bought a house, And when we get married, we have our own house. So I make cross stitch for this one for our housewarming. So this is, guys, is that beautiful? Yeah, God bless our home. So make it safe by night and day. So is that beautiful words? So that's year 2008. So it doesn't take me too long to make this. I think it's only take for me we'll see, less than a month for this one. It's just a small project, and I decided also that this is perfect for a good match because it's welcome. See, the same year 2008 I made this for our housewarming, for welcoming. And then I'm still looking for some another cross stitch that I'm interested. When I found this, I'm so in love with this one, with the two dove and grips, because my husband has a hobby of making his own wine and beer. And guys, he is very good making of that wine. The flavor is the best. He joined this contest, like we have here in the state fair. They have like you have to join, enter your wine, and then he won like many medal for the wine. He won for that, and then he also joined for we call that mead wine. It's made of honey and matching with the fruits. It's kind of sweet wine. That's my favorite wine that he's making. He's making like international made wine. He won a gold medal for that. So that's why I decided, okay, this project is perfect, that much in our house, because it's one of my husband's hobbies. He is my inspiration. So is that beautiful or what? So I spent a lot of money of putting my cross stitch into a beautiful frame, because I work hard for this one. So it's really like I appreciate it. So it's worth. That's year 2009. So all my cross stitch with my signature. So this is my like passing to my generation, that oh, this is my my niece and nephew will like proud of me. My auntie made this. So this is one of my collection that I really made myself. And that's year 2009 that I made this one. I have to be careful not broken this. This is really. So this one, guys, look, I made this one 2010. This is one of my husband's favorite, Last Supper. This is much to our kitchen. It takes a while for this one. And I forgot to tell you guys that down with this one over here, down with the cross binds, it takes a while to do this one, because during that time I work in a assisted living home as a nursing assistant and medication aid used to be. So I work as what do you call this, overnight chef. So makes in order for me to awake all the time, so I need to do something like during my break time, so in order me to not fall asleep, so that I can taking care of the resident. So I'm taking care of the dementia residents, so they need care. So I'm working overnight for it's take most than almost 3 years. So it takes me a while to finish this project, this uh, grapes vine. It takes a while because I don't have like all the time that I can do this, only for my free time in my break time during work. So, and then after I finish this one, so this is my other one that I made, my last supper. Because in order to me, to keep myself busy, that's why I make this cross stitch. And I am so proud of myself that I didn't expect that I can make this last supper. This is, I put this in our kitchen. Is that beautiful? Yeah. That's 2010. I'm done in 2010. I think it takes 1 year too with this one, and then this one is 1 year. And my last cross stitch that I made is this one here. Be careful, not broken this. Okay, take it easy. Okay. So my last project that I made for cross stitch is this one over here. It's my angel. So I really do like collecting angels. So have you noticed that my channel name is Angel May? Because the combination of angels. So that's what it is. I love angel. I have a lot of collection of angel that I have in my house. So this is my last one that I made this year 2012. This is my last cross stitch because it takes time to do it. You put more works for doing this a tiny bit of colors combination to in order to have this completed pretty. There's a lot of colors I made for this one, and I stopped doing cross stitch because my eyes is getting bad, and I have difficulty. I need glasses, and so year 2012 is my last year to make a project. So I don't know, I didn't see anything yet that I'm interested when I go to store and look for another project. I didn't see yet so far, but just showing you my very beautiful masterpiece that I made myself. So this is, I'll show you guys closer. Yeah, this is all my collection, guys, and I'm so happy with it. It turns really good. So I display all my masterpiece in my house, and every time I get visitors, they ask like who made this one. So I got a lot of compliments for doing these projects, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. I just wanna share my beautiful cross stitch that I made. So thank you guys. Until next. And please don't forget to support my channel and click the notification bell for my next upload videos, guys. So until next, bye bye.